Hi everyone, I am Cha, a licensed financial advisor of AIA PH, formerly known as PhilAm Life. And I just want to share with you kung ano yung isa sa plan ni AIA. This plan is called AIA Mid-Assist, an HMO with life insurance with investment. So, etong card na ito is in-avail ko siya last February 2023, pero ngayon po is iba na yung provider ni AIA. So, since nabili na naman ni AIA yung Medicard, so from Avega and Telecare, nag-change into Medicard. Pero yung coverage naman po ng plan is still the same. Ang pinagkaiba nga lang po is na-change lang siya nung provider. So, I just want to share with you kung ano yung inclusion ng package. So, inclusion ng plan. So, I have a sample proposal here for a 37 years old female. So, makikita nyo po dyan sa proposal, naka-indicate po dyan yung name ng plan, which is the AIA Mid-Assist with AIA Vitality Additional Coverage. So, kasama na po dyan yung policy owner name, age, tsaka yung gender. And then, nakalagay din po dyan sa baba yung total payment or yung premium natin, which is sa age 37, nasa 31,340.55. And then, dito naman po is, makikita mo yung premiums and payment options. So, ang ibig sabihin po niyan, the basic coverage or the face amount up to age 80 or upon claim, which is, yun yung marireceive ni beneficiary just in case mawala si plan holder. So, sa age 37, nasa 600,000 po yung marireceive ni beneficiary. And then, yung nakalagay na up to age 80, once na si plan holder is aabot ng 80 years old, so automatic siya na po yung makaka-receive nung 600,000. And then, ito is plan A lamang. If you want the higher face amount, then you can also choose the plan B, C, or D. And then, for the medical benefit naman, up to age 65, 500,000 aggregate limit per year. So, ibig sabihin, meron siyang limit na 500,000 every year sa kanyang medical needs. And then, also for hospital income benefit, once na ma-admit po si plan holder, automatic meron siyang 1,000 per day, which is makukuha niya po yun pagkalabas po ng hospital, kasi ang one of the requirements naman kasi is yung mga billing statement, yung mga receipt, para naman ma-reimbursement siya. And then for the waiver of premium, which is up to end of paying period, which is mawi-waive yung premium ni policy holder once ma-totally disabled siya. So, kung makikita nyo din po dyan sa baba, meron tayong monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, and annual mode of payment. Pero kami, ino-offer talaga namin mostly si quarter, semi, tsaka annual. Kasi po, pag monthly basis po yung pinipili natin, nagre-require po talaga si AIA na talagang ino-auto-deduct talaga siya sa bank nyo. And then, kasi po, minsan nalilimutan po talaga natin yung pagbabayad pag hindi talaga siya naka-auto-deduct. And other one is, this is the schedule of premium. So, based po doon sa age niya na 37 years old, so sa edad niya po na 38 is meron siyang total premiums of 30,140. So, I'm not really sure if nakikita nyo po kasi medyo maliit siya. Pero, kung titignan nyo po talaga, every year is talagang nag-i-increase yung premiums natin. Bakit po? Kasi, usually naman talaga, any kind of HMO talaga, habang tumataas yung age natin, tumataas din po yung premiums or yung binabayaran natin. It's one of the reason kasi is tumataas yung risk natin, and then at the same time inflation, Also, nagmamahal din po yung mga needs sa hospital. So, kung makikita nyo din naman po dyan, yung basic top-ups at saka yung attached rider is hindi talaga siya nagbabago up to age 65. Pero ito lang talaga medical benefit is nag-i-increase talaga siya every year. Kaya po, napapansin nyo, nag-i-increase po talaga yung monthly, yung annual payment natin. So, but still, sa kalauna naman is, bababa din naman yung value na yan. And then, but at least, meron po tayong HMO na magagamit natin. This AIA Vitality is an additional coverage doon po sa plan natin. Meron po tayong ang tawag doon, apps na ida-download kung sakaling mag-a-avail tayo ng AIA Mid Assist. Tapos, doon mo ma-check yung health status mo, kung nag-e-exercise ka ba everyday, mga daily activities na ginagawa. Tapos po, meron doong naka-indicate na like vitality status, kung for the first year is bronze, tapos kung kalaunan kung i-workout mo yun, magiging silver, gold, tapos tataas yung additional coverage. So halimbawa, merong mga medical needs or kaya merong admission na merong admission, so possible madadagdagan yung coverage mo. It's because wino-workout mo yung AIA Vitality mo. Tsaka ang kagandahan din po nitong Vitality is talagang mamomonitor mo yung health mo, kasi doon naka-indicate kung nag-e-exercise ka ba daily, mga vaccine, regarding sa food, kung naninigarilyo po ba tayo, yun, naka-indicate po yun lahat doon. So, pwedeng kung matyaga ka, mas maganda po talaga, nag-i-increase. Tsaka meron yung mga, anong tawag doon, para rewards. Merong mga rewards kang matatanggap doon. And then, this is the account value or yung tinatawag nating investment na kasama doon sa plan. So, remember po, this investment is not guaranteed kasi nagbe-base po talaga tayo doon sa stock market. So, kung mataas ang stock market, mayroong mga chances na mataas din po yung marireceive natin na investment or yung account value. Pero kung mababa naman yung stock market, din mababa lang po talaga yung possible na mapapasok sa ating account value. So, this one is not really guaranteed. Parang additional lang talaga siya doon sa plan. Pero hindi talaga dapat tayo mag-focus na, ay, kukuha ako ng life insurance kasi meron siyang kasamang investment. So, hindi po. Parang additional lang talaga to sa plan mo. And then, you can check there the 10%. So, possible if palaging increase yung stock market, then merong mga chances na ganyan po talaga kalaki yung marireceive natin. Pero, still, hindi po talaga tayo magbe-base dyan kasi nagdidepende lang po talaga yan lahat sa stock market. And then, the last one is the list of medical benefit coverage. So, this plan is 90% of your bill in hospital will be catered by the AIA Mid Assist, and then the 10% will be catered by you as a plan holder. But it's not really mean talaga na kung halimbawa 100,000 yung bill is talagang 90% doon ang i-deduct. Hindi po siya ganon. So makikita nyo po dito kung paano siya i-deduct.